Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. We are here with a brand new episode today. I'm going to show you all the entire tour in none other than standing tall, or should I say the tallest tower in the world, Burj Khalifa. That's right. So I am walking in this beautiful area in downtown Dubai where Burj Khalifa is situated. Hope you can see the charming surrounding of Burj Khalifa. The fountain, buildings and landscape are so vibrant and attractive. Okay, so why I am covering around Burj Khalifa before I actually go inside, it's because I want to show you guys, if you haven't been here, how they have included the touch of nature in this cosmopolitan city. I'm in Dubai Mall now, walking towards the ticket counter where you can purchase your ticket to see the Burj Khalifa at the top package. If you have an online ticket, you can just scan the barcode and they will give you a ticket to proceed. The ticket for this package range from 100 to 160 dirhams.
So finally I entered, so now walking to the top.
As we walk, let me tell you some fascinating details about Burj Khalifa. Why is it so popular? And should you visit the Burj Khalifa in Dubai? Well, let's go to the details first. It's the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is a mixed-use skyscraper located in Dubai UAE. It is the world's tallest building and it has also broken two other impressive records: tallest structure and tallest freestanding. So it is the tallest of the super tall. The Burj Khalifa took 6 years to build. Excavation work began in January 2004 and the tower was formally opened on January 4th, 2010. The Burj Khalifa was built to house a whole variety of commercial, residential and hospitality ventures. These include a hotel and luxury residences designed by Italian fashion designer Giorgio Armani. So this is from the film Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, when Tom Cruise's character climbed the Burj Khalifa. They say the crew broke 35 windows while filming it here.
should be 124.
Yeah.
Then take the stairs to 125.
125. Okay. Thank you.
I just took one of the fastest and longest single running elevator, which is 140 floors. It only took 1 minute to reach the 124th floor. Here we are guys in this massive Burj Khalifa with a height of 828 meters, soaring over Dubai with 163 floors occupied. That's 3 times as tall as the Eiffel Tower in Paris. We are officially at the highest outdoor observation deck in the world. We are 400 meters above ground at the top view visit, enjoying Dubai's cityscape. What a magnificent view of the city, guys, you can see. It's so picturesque and modern Dubai city view from this majestic tower. You can see the huge Dubai fountain surrounding Burj Khalifa. Wow, what a great view. Look at this panoramic city view. Wow. So you have to come and experience it.